Go, 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 girl.
Announcing players for court number 6. Players for court number 6. Rico Refarial and Noli Pelazzo versus John Ong and Jeremiah Martinez. Players Rico and Noli versus John and Jeremiah. Please proceed to court number 6.
Calling players for court number 2. Court number 2, Rod and A. Salvador versus William Am and Dewey. Court number 2.
Calling players for court number 8, John Ray Rodriguez and Nico Ravas versus Renzi Garcia and John Collado. John and Renzi, please proceed to court number 8, please. Announcing battle for third for men's doubles between Jefferson Rivera and Aldecino versus Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga. Battle for third and the championship, both from University of the Philippines. Erico Lester Patricio and Chris Caperal versus Jude Baharias and Pepsa Marquez.
Standby players for court number 4. Standby players for court number 4. Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga versus Jefferson Rivera and Aldecino. Standby court number 4 for battle for third.
Requesting line judges for court number 8. Requesting the line judges for court number 8, Gurley and Ivy Agura. Gurley and Ivy, pa-line judge po sa court 8. Line judge po. Salamat, Ate Ivy.
Calling players for court number 9. Court number 9, Brian Lim and Gio Aaron Tuason versus Francis Natiwag and Francis Pascual. Proceed to court number 9.
Pagalitang si Yoel. Yung nawala eh.
Volunteer line judge for court number 9, please. Thank you.
Standby players for court number 3. Court number 3, standby. Josel Yap and JP Rapper versus Joey Kalisay and Dexter Alvarez. Standby court number 3.
Kaya nga,
Battle for third ongoing on court number 7. Calling France Aguirre. Calling France Aguirre, please proceed to court number 3.
Players for court number 2, Rod and Ace Salvador versus William Ang and Dui. Court number 2.
Court number 2, Rod and Ace versus William and Dewey. Rod and Ace, please proceed to court number 2, please. Thank you. We're requesting all players to please vacate the court so that we know which courts are available for the games. Thank you so much. Francis Pascual and Francis Maniwang, please proceed to court number 9. Get the chance to win an Awala Tumbler and Ayala Land Towels. We will be giving away 2 Awala Tumblers and 10 Ayala Land Towels, and we will also give vouchers from Avocadoria. Visit the Ayala Land Singapore booth. Also, please visit the Smiles booth to register and receive limited edition merchandise. At Smiles, we give you everyday great grade. You can also continue your SSS and Pag-ibig contributions through us.
Calling players for court number 4, battle for third for men's doubles. Chris Fred and Nelson Gonzaga versus Jefferson Rivera and Albizino. Proceed to court number 4.
Battle for third will be at court number 4. Please cheer your teammates as they fight for the bronze medal.
Standby players for court number 3. Rexon Francisco and Marcos Aclayan versus Kim Chua and Clyde Tumula. Standby court number 3.
Players at court number 4, you can take your warm-up or you can take a break first. Our beautiful ladies from Ayala Land, Singapore are waiting for you to register in their booth and get the chance to win an Awala tumbler and Ayala Land towels. They will be giving away 2 Awala tumblers and 10 Ayala Land towels, plus they will also give you vouchers from Avocadoria. So please go ahead and register with the Ayala Land Singapore group.
Standby players for court number 1, Jok and Cleo versus Ayon Pelovillo and Jesh. Following players for court number 3. Court number 3, Rexon Francisco and Marcos Aclayan versus Kim Chua and Clyde Tumula. Court number 3.
Please visit the Smiles booth to register and receive limited edition merchandise. At Smiles, we give you everyday great rate. You can also continue your SSS and Pag-ibig contributions through us. Thank you. Non-players, please vacate the courts. Thank you. And now we have the bronze winners for women's doubles. Congratulations, Vince Buco Sanchez and Lita De Quito. Congratulations once again to our bronze winners, Vince and Lita. Ongoing match, battle for third for men's doubles between Jefferson and Al and Nelson and Chris.
Calling players for court number 7. Court number 7. Daniel Barrel and Irish versus Tisha Lu and Era Magisterio. Court number 7.
Championship for women's doubles will be at court number